In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Sentiment. We'll build a clean, three-window workflow that turns noisy headlines into actionable sentiment in seconds. Start by making the newsfeed your main window. This is your core stream, so tighten it up with the right filters. Under Sources, select Benzinga Wire and Benzinga Signals. These two deliver timely headlines and algorithmic highlights without pulling in chatter that doesn't move markets. For importance, choose High Only. This keeps your feed focused on market-moving items and saves you from reacting to minor updates that rarely lead to meaningful price action. Then, narrow categories to analyst ratings, offerings, M&A, insider trades, and earnings. Each of these tends to shift supply and demand quickly. Ratings change perception, offerings impact dilution and capital structure, mergers and acquisitions reprice expectations, insider trades signal conviction, and earnings reshape outlooks in real time. With those filters set, your newsfeed becomes a curated pipeline of high-signal events. Next, use the signals window as your confirmation layer. Turn on price spikes and option activity. Price spikes show where the tape is actually moving right now, which helps you verify whether a headline is translating into momentum. Option activity highlights aggressive positioning that may precede or amplify a move. Together, these signals help you separate headlines with teeth from those that simply read well. When a high-importance item hits your newsfeed, glance at signals. If you see a concurrent price spike or unusual options flow, that's a strong sign the market is acknowledging the news. Finally, rely on the Details panel to connect the dots fast. When you click a ticker or headline, the Details view shows a chart, the related news context, and a concise "why is it moving" explanation. Use the chart to gauge immediate reaction and key levels, and read the WIEM note for a quick sentiment snapshot without guessing. This saves you time and helps prevent bias, especially during fast markets. Put it all together with a simple rhythm. Spot a high-importance headline in the newsfeed, check the signals window for price or options confirmation, then open the Details panel to see the chart and the "why is it moving" summary. If the narrative, the tape, and the context align, you have a cleaner read on sentiment. Keep your filters tight, trust the confirmation, and let the Details panel close the loop. That's how you use Benzinga Pro to read sentiment quickly and confidently.